Alright, today we're working on a 2004 Dodge Stratus. Problem is the brake light kept staying on even when I see the handbrake is up. Light still stays on. Move it a little bit better. Light still stays on. Handbrake down. Things simple. Start it. Brake light stays on. So I filled up the reservoir, realized that the reservoir was low, filled that up, and it still was like the light went away intermittently, and then I wake up short the next day. I got a huge pool of brake fluid and nothing. So I looked into it, followed the lines, I could see that there was a leak, and it came down to right up here. Alright, so it came down to there's a brake line that's leaking, and if you look closely you can see the culprit like that. So there's basically two lines that come from the master cylinder. Just up here you can see one line on the left, one line on the right. So I followed that line down, splits up, we got four, and then I followed them out. I could see a whole bunch of ruts, so I wasn't exactly sure which one it is, but what I had to do, obviously, take the tire off, take the entire splash shield up here, and I don't even know why they put the battery over here. That's a bit dumb to me. Then you gotta go from the top and obviously take the air cleaner off. Came off pretty easily. And then follow the lines. Take these black clips off right here. I think it was a pain to figure out. Then you'll see I tried a little streamer right there, so I know which line I'll be able to take off. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how it goes putting it back on. Alright, here we are. Replaced the brake line, as you can see. Brand new shiny brake lining coming from the master cylinder to another panel. Line, the fittings were different, but they had adapters, so all I had to do was screw in the shiny part of the adapters. You can see the brass part, and then which was basically not standard, and then the brake line came on. I got a 5-foot line, and I try to get it inside as good as possible. A bunch of zip ties in the back with the clips where I probably broke when I took the last one off, and filled out the reservoir. I bled the line, made sure that there was little to no air left, and I'm gonna put it back together and take it for a test drive, see how it works. See you in a bit.